You have gone to the boy's house, you wash all the plate, wash all the pan, make the mother to look as a nice person. Some mothers say, hey, Peter, why did you not marry Susanna? See the way Susanna is very hardworking. That young woman even don't even know what to do. My people, hey, my name is Marindung. Thank you very much for turning to my channel. If your first time seeing my beautiful face, what are you waiting for? You have not subscribed? With the red button underneath this video. You're my old subscriber. Thank you very much for being a family. Today I'm going to talk about, I know I did that in one of my old videos, but I'm going to reinforce it again. Baby mama drama. I don't really like the term baby mama, but that's what the world call it. Baby mama means you have a child with someone, but you're not married to the person. My people, young girls listening to me. If you might have you have a child out of wedlock, you're a wonderful person. To have kept that child, you didn't do an abortion. You didn't give up that child for adoption. You didn't go and throw that child somewhere. But you kept your baby. It's not a shame. Which means you do the good thing. You might have made that mistake to have had premarital sex and have that child out of wedlock, as I said. But you're a wonderful mother to have had that baby. So you kept your child. So after you have struggled and kept that child, why fighting with the baby daddy? If the baby daddy has gone on and gone married to another woman, do not say that I will not give the child till he married me. He must marry me. My women, having a child with somebody is not a guarantee that they will marry you. So do not take your life and waste and be saying that that person must marry you. I can give you countless of girls that have wasted their life because they say that particular Johnny must marry me. Johnny, if you don't marry me, I will not give you Junior. Junior will not come to your house. You are the one losing and Junior is the one losing. If that boy married you, he doesn't love you. You express her fire on earth. That is a bad marriage. So better allow it. A man who still married you, a lovable man. Take yourself and make use. If you didn't go to school, that's not the end of the world. You can learn hand trades. You can learn how to sew. You can learn how to braid. You can find yourself in business. Make yourself useful. While you are making yourself useful, there are many things you can do. Then that man, your Mr. Right now, will meet you at that junction when you're trying to improve yourself. But if you just hold yourself in cage and say Johnny must marry you, you keep disturbing Johnny's wife or fiancé. You keep calling Johnny in the night. You keep negating yourself and sending to Johnny. You keep sending type of messages. That's all. Even you are not proud to show somebody. My young girl, do not waste your time. Or Johnny is married and have the wife and still come and sleep with you. Johnny is fooling you because if Johnny is just a name I'm using. This is an example. If Johnny really loved you enough, Johnny could have married you. But because Johnny did not marry you, Johnny did not love you. Johnny might tell that I did not have money. The lady I got married have money. That's why I went to the lady to bring the money for us. He's lying. If Johnny loved you that way so much, money is not a barrier. Johnny could have forgot about money and married you and you guys struggle together. But if you have allowed your life for Johnny to use you, my young girl, you're on your own. Do not allow any man to take you and take your number 6. Use your number 6. Do not allow it. My people, the Bible in Jeremiah 32:27, that's my best scripture. I am the Lord of all human race. Is there anything too difficult for me to do? You do not body shame yourself because you're putting bed, your stomach have got bigger, your breast is bigger. There's no problem. Look for clothes that fit. Fix yourself as a young lady. Do your hair. Do your face. You must not have too much money to do all that. We have a lot of natural resources. Take that pear and do your hair there. Take that tomatoes and wash your face. Raw tomatoes that you eat in the kitchen. Take those things, scrub your face. Take sugar, scrub your face. Make your face nice. Buy Simply cocoa butter, rub on your body. Take good care of yourself. Do not allow Johnny stress to come and make you, and you look at one old woman from one grand village, and Johnny will just look at you. Because the time you become, I don't even know how to say that, but my advice is that too much baby mama drama. Johnny must marry me. Or even Johnny, you write lists and send it. Sometimes you don't even want to send a baby to Johnny. You say, I will suffer this boy now because he did not want me to. He did not marry me. You're suffering by yourself and the little baby. Because whatever you do, he will not still marry you. That's not the reason that will make that boy to marry. So let sleeping dog lie. You have made that mistake. Johnny did not marry you. It means Johnny was someone for you. Allah, if God will send you Peter, God will send you poor another person that will appreciate you and treat you better, that you will thank God the rest of your life. But you have to be positive. Tell God, God say, I am the God of all human race. Is it anything too difficult for me to do? You have given birth out of wedlock, that's no problem. Push yourself. If you have to go back to that school, you go back. If you have to go to do that treat, you do. If you're doing hair, thank God you'll be the best hair seller. You'll be the best braider. You'll be the best tailor. You'll be that best designer. Thank God those things. And forget Johnny. Johnny has a child with you, that is fine. Let Johnny take care of his child. Improve of yourself. Too much baby mama drama. This one call me, my husband, my boyfriend is doing this, is doing this. Young girls, allow married men to be. Allow married men. Another one, I'll come for baby daddy. Some men also will not want to leave a woman alone because they had a child with a woman. It's not only men. If you're a man watching me, allow her to be. Don't see her on the road and say, what are you doing here? You didn't marry her. Where is the baby? Is it on the road you want to come and answer the baby? Don't you know where your child is? You are not married her here. You don't want her to get married. That is selfishness. I call that witchcraft. You are not to hold her life. She has legal right of her life. The way she want to live her life. You didn't pay any bride price, so you have no right to ask her any question. So let her be. Let her go her own way. Young women, let married women be with their husband. Stop begging. Stop doing things. Unnecessary comfort. You have gone to the boy's house. You wash all the plate, wash all the pan, make the mother to look as a nice person. Some mothers say, hey, Peter, why did you not marry Susanna? See the way Susanna is very hardworking. That yeah woman, even though you don't even know what. The mother-in-law to you, a bad mother-in-law for indulging that. Peter is married already. You don't have any right to allow Peter's baby mama to come and be doing that. That is wrong. It's very wrong. I want this message, this video to go viral for people to listen to it. I'm telling you, my people. You have another one also. The girl will go to the house and be trying to buy present for the sister-in-laws, buy 10 things, and trying to encourage them. Those sister Rosanna will come to Peter and say, Peter, see the way Paulina is buying me things. If you could have gotten married to Paulina, all this could have not happened. And the worst is that if that woman in the house don't have a child, oh, you finish. You finish. They might even turn that man's head to be turning and say, if I knew I could have married Paulina. Paulina has a child for me. She has proven herself that she can have more children. That's a lie. That is a lie. Happiness is it that matter. Let me tell people a story. A friend, let me say a friend. She had this boyfriend and they were together. But this boyfriend allowed her and went and got married to somebody else. So this somebody else that the boy married, it's a good lesson for girls to listen. That person could not have children. So this girl now, because that boy's wife could not have children, she came and became pregnant for that boy. That's her ex-boyfriend. And thinking that if she gets pregnant for that boy is going to leave the wife and come to her because she has a child. But that boy stood his ground. When she became pregnant and had the baby, and tell the boy that divorce your woman and marry me because I have a child and your wife cannot have a child. You've been living in her with 5 years, but no kid. That boy refused and said, I cannot leave my wife for you. Because if I leave my wife for you, you're a bad woman. What you have done to me, you can do to another person. And that boy refused. You know, years later, God blessed that married woman with twin children. And that other lady went her way. And her life became reckless.
Today, shout out go with grace. Health with grace. If you can check her channel and subscribe underneath her. Tell her you're coming from my house. If you want me to give you a shout out, be the first to subscribe on my channel. Thank you very much, Marindo.